Do you have multiple PDF files and need to combine them into one quickly and automatically? In this video, I will show you how to merge PDFs using Microsoft Power Automate in just a few simple steps. Power Automate is Microsoft's automation tool that helps you eliminate repetitive tasks and work smarter, not harder. Instead of manually merging PDFs every time, we build a flow that does it automatically, saving time and effort. Start by creating a new workflow. Name it Merge PDF. Click on this Create button, and here you search the actions Merge PDF and drag it to this middle portion and select the files you want to merge. I already saved my files into this folder, these ones, and again select the location where you want to save merge PDF and name it to merge PDF and merge.pdf and open and save it and just click on this run button and you will see that you got the merge PDF in your saved location and all PDFs merge into one file. But here is the problem that we did not get the actual sequence we want to merge these PDFs. So what we will have to do is rename these files and merge into. So rename them into opposite direction like 3, 2 is fine and change it to 1. Delete this one, open your workflow again, edit it and select the files again. Save it and run it again. So you see you did get the actual sequence we wanted. So that's it. PDF merging made simple with automation. If this helped, like video, subscribe for more Power Automate tips and comments. What would you like to automate next? Thanks for watching.